Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So I got out here and pulled the drums off the rear. I was going to go ahead and replace the brake pads and all this stuff in here. All the brake shoe, clean everything up, paint the backing plates. I got a couple of the lug studs broke off. I was going to go ahead and replace those. I got 12 new ones and everything. Going to clean it up and get it ready. So I pulled both sides off and I noticed I had a little bit of, if you can hear it or not, if it records it, I've got some play a little bit in and out. The other axle is actually worse than this one, so I figured I would go ahead while I'm at it and pull the axles out, replace the bearings and seals. And it's probably a good thing that I did that, because once I got in here, let me show you this. Once I got in here, you can see up in that stump back up in there, nothing but sludge. I mean, I got, there's the pan. Probably a good thing that those were wore, and I checked it. I hadn't even checked this in here. My intention, of course, was to check the grease level, oil level, make sure there's plenty of fluid in there, but that was, the gears, everything appears to be okay. I'll show you this other axle when I get back out from the truck, but yeah, it's a good thing I tore into that. I actually considered trying to find another rear end and put under it, but everything seems okay. So on a good note, you can see it there, I got the drive shaft in. Drive line's all connected. Header's up there just waiting to take it to get exhaust put on it. Let me get back up here and I'll show you this other axle. This is the one that actually brought it to my attention. Like I said, I got a little bit of in and out play, a little bit of front to back play, and quite a bit of up and down play. So we're going to pull those off, clean all this up, get everything, have those turned. I've got all new, everything you see in the floor, I got brand new over here. We got brand new brake lines to run, new rubber line. There's another shot of the drive shaft. We had one at the barn that would bolt right in. But anyway, what I thought was going to be a fairly quick fix has turned into literally something that really needed some attention. I just wanted to show that out there. One more thing, hang on. I've got the front grille, and everything all ready to go and be sanded. Get it all sanded and cleaned up. While we're at it, we're going to paint the doors. I done showed you a video on that. I'll link some of those up here in the upper corner for anybody that's been following or just now finding the video on this 68 build. My plan is, once I get the brake lines on it, get all the rear end, get it to where I can actually move it under its own power, which is getting really close. I'm going to stick the bed on it. Even though it ain't finished, it's got to have some body work done. I'm going to go ahead and stick the bed on the thing, get everything set up, haul it down to the muffler shop and go ahead and get the exhaust run, because I want the exhaust to turn down at each back corner of the bed. So I got to have the bed on it, even though it's not nowhere near finished. But we're going to do that, and then I can take the bed back off and do the body work. When I get the doors and all hung, we'll get it painted. We'll get them painted, rather. We'll get them hung and put on there. I'm going to put new vent windows in it. I was going to try the rebuild kit from LMC or Brothers, but I just haven't had too good of luck putting those in the past. So I'm going to opt out and go ahead and put brand new vent windows in it, because I want this one to be pretty nice. And the ones that was in it, the rubber was cracked. The glass looked pretty good, but the rubber was all cracked and the chrome was pretty tarnished looking. But I want to bring you up to speed on that. Where we're at on the 68, we're going to disassemble it this weekend. May make a short video on the disassembly process, and rebuild, make a video of the whole thing. We're going to basically put new bearings and seals, new brake pads, new brake lines. I'm going to do all of it with it in there, because I really don't want to have to pull the rear end out from under the truck, unless I find something bad once I get in there that's beyond just simple bearings and stuff to get fixed. So anyway, there's that short video. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Check out the other videos on my channel dealing with this truck. Like I said, I'll link some of them at the end if I haven't already done that. But thanks for watching. God bless. See you on the next one. So I went ahead and pulled one axle out right quick. I thought I'd end the video with this. I went ahead and pulled out one axle and pulled the seal out, which is already down there. Yeah, the bearing, let's see, I'll get a screwdriver here and some light. The bearing is shot. So we'll get a new seal kit, bearing kit, everything ordered, get those took out and replaced, get this backing plate all cleaned up. I just went ahead. The axle itself looks pretty good. It needs cleaned up. It looks good down here. There's no really bad wire marks or anything like that, so I believe it'll be okay. We'll go ahead and replace those studs probably while we got it out of there, so we don't have to beat on it in the truck. But anyway, there's the problem. That is just still cleaning out inside there. It's a 68 model and it's wore out. It's time to be for parts to be replaced. Anyway, just wanted to throw that on there. Thanks again for watching. God bless.